How to get a work visa in the USA. Welcome to this guide on how to get a work visa in the USA, designed for professionals and skilled workers seeking employment opportunities in the United States. Whether you're aiming for a temporary position or a long-term career, this video will cover the key steps, types of visas, and essential requirements to streamline the process. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to secure a U.S. work visa. First, determine which visa suits your needs. The H-1B visa is ideal for highly skilled professionals in specialized fields like IT, engineering, and healthcare. For seasonal or agricultural workers, the H-2B and H-2A visas apply. If you're a manager or specialist at an international company, the L-1 visa is a great fit. Entrepreneurs can consider the O-1 visa for extraordinary abilities, or the E-2 investor visa if your country has a trade treaty with the U.S. Research visa categories carefully to ensure eligibility. Next, secure a job offer from a U.S.-based employer. The employer must sponsor your application, providing a job contract and supporting documents to prove the role can't easily be filled by a U.S. citizen. For H-1B visas, your employer will file a labor condition application, LCA, with the Department of Labor to confirm the job meets wage and condition standards. After sponsorship, file the necessary forms. For most work visas, your employer submits Form I-129 to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. Once approved, you'll receive a Notice of Action, Form I-797. Use this to apply for a visa interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate in your home country. Prepare key documents, your job offer letter, passport, educational qualifications, and any required certifications. During your interview, demonstrate the legitimacy of your job offer and your intent to comply with visa conditions. Be honest and concise. Once approved, you'll receive your visa, allowing entry to the U.S. Finally, remember your responsibilities. Work visas are tied to your employer, so changing jobs requires a new sponsorship. Ensure you adhere to the visa duration and renewal requirements. Follow these steps and you're on your way to working in the U.S. Subscribe for more expert tips, and good luck.